So today also we talk about the democratization of design. Example, one size does not fit all in all countries. You can be multinational and saying, okay, I've developed a product. Does it work in your country? Does it work in your country? Does it work in your country? You can actually sit now in each country and start designing, customizing, and playing off that design to see what works over there. That whole cycle of going back and forth can be cut down and reduced a lot when you have a digital process like this. Example, if it's an automotive industry, what a person wants in a car in the Middle East is very different to what they want in the US maybe at times. It could be in the way a gas cooker is made. A consumer in Kuwait wants everything bigger. A person in Hong Kong wants everything smaller. You have to be able to design and innovate even as a global player in terms of what you do. As a local player, it gives you the ability to compete a lot more because you can actually start doing a lot of this production in-house and this development in-house, where you would have been working with a workshop or sitting with someone in a different country and then saying, can I compete because the development centers in China?
Okay, so